Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of an Lmzour. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but I'll put the name in the title and in the description. This is a digital camera. And this camera is for, I guess, beginners, for teenagers, etc. I got this specifically for myself because I wanted to do like more videos and I didn't want to spend too much money like on a fancy camera, like an entry-level camera, so I could start making more videos, for like YouTube, etc. So let's check out like what the specs are on this camera real quick and then do the unboxing as well. You can see here, this is the box. I don't know if you can catch the specs there. And some warning or whatever. And you can see it's a 5K Ultra HD digital camera. And it does 5K for video and 75 megapixels for photography. So inside the box, you're gonna find the user manual. And this is how it's set up here. Let me take this out. You can see more information there. Let me see, I'll go through all of these things later. So that should be everything that's in the box. So let's get that out of the way. And let's check out what this is. Oh, okay. This is the battery for the camera. Let's check this out. Looks like it has 2 batteries. I'll look up on the manual and see everything, but it's good for a spare. It's pretty good. And then this is a cleaning cloth that they do provide to you. And you can see here the handle that you'll attach to the camera. They give you a nice little bag so you can carry the camera as well. You can see how the inside looks. And then here's the USB cable. So it is a Type-C USB cable, as you can see here. And this is to transfer, I'm guessing, the videos and photos from the camera to your computer, tablet, etc. And you may also be able to do firmware updates through that. So here's the camera itself. You can see there how it's designed. I got the black one. I think there's another color on there as well. And you can see how it pops up and it lets you show the display on there. So we'll be doing a separate video after I read through the manual, get used to the camera, all the features, and then go through everything and show everyone. And then of course it has like the option for the tripods or whatever, like most of the cameras do have. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Robert's Video Machine, I really appreciate it. And then, like I said, I will be posting more videos of the review of this. Get to use it, hands-on review. And then also many more videos that I have for all the different products that I'm going to be doing as well. Thank you.